number 4.3. After my bath. Hello my dear friends. Today we will have fun with a poem about what we do after a bath. Let's listen carefully.
After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Hands to wipe, and fingers and toes, and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I'd take if I were a dog and could shake.
Hey, what a fun poem! Wiping after a bath can be tricky, but also fun to imagine shaking like a dog. Now it's time to listen to some rhyming words. Try, dry, nose, toes, take, shake. Very good. Now let's explore the bathroom and see what things we find there. Friends, can you spot soap? Yes, it is on the stand. Next, can you see the towel? Yes, it's hanging here. Look friends, this is called a soap case. It keeps the soap dry and neat. Here is a toilet brush. We use it to clean the toilet. This is a stool we use while taking a bath. Can you see the bucket? Right, the bucket is near the window. What do you think this is? It's a basin. Look at this shampoo. We use it to clean our hair. Can you spot the shower? Very good. The shower is behind the glass. Now, this is called a tap. It gives us water. Where is the hand wash? Is it near the basin? Yes, correct. Look at this cleaner. We use it to clean bathrooms. Wow, see this pink color mug? Now spot the toothbrushes. Yes, they are in the tooth stand. And also there is a toothpaste in the same stand. We use it to keep our teeth clean and shiny. Alright friends, now tell me, which things do you have in your bathroom? You can tell your family and friends about the things you see every day. Bye bye friends. See you soon for our next fun learning adventure.